Hola bitches, this is Constructions Productions. That what I'm saying, Constructions Production is kind of getting to a catchphrase now. I might have to change that, I don't know. This is set 58, 68, 69, no. And this is called Ferocious Creatures. It's from Creator 3-in-1, maybe. Might have changed that now. They probably just like put a bunch of teeth pieces in this called Ferocious Creatures and make up whatever animals you can make out of with using as much tooth pieces as possible. But you got this like piranha looking bitch going on there, and you got just T-Rex. Got some building there. I don't have the instructions for the crocodile one for some reason. I can't find that one. Got the wing kit in the back. Looks like he just got stabbed in the back or something. You got the advertisement there for Lego Club. I don't know why I blanked on it. You got this other creator set. This one is a big motherfucker. But you got this like jet and biplane and a boat. It's a big motherfucker. And got this, which was in the other set that they review on, and it just says like upload your own model on Lego Creator, Lego.com. And forgot to tell you what year this is. This is from 2010. There. Anyway, got the crocodile himself. I don't know why that what if his tooth pieces are missing. I never can get this lamp working. Oh my god. Just pick your just choose a fucking, I don't know what I'm saying now. Got the crocodile there. Crocodile Dundee. That's a bad impression of it. Got his neck in there. It's only in black and dark bluish gray. It's almost like I have to do it like a lamp like this. I know how it works. Hold on. No cuts. Kinda looks like a search lamp. I mean like a search light. Got the underbelly of it. No, fuck that. Fuck that lamp. I need to change that. You got the belly of it. For some reason the side is tan and then the bottom is like brown. I guess like he was in the dirt. And his tail does move a lot. And got these paws here. Nothing much for the paws. Oh, I should probably do it like that. There we go, finally. And got posability there. You can move that up. Like that. You can do a T pose if you wanted to. It'd be like great doing that. Probably would pose it like that. Sorry for the dust. This was on my top shelf. And got like this posability there. It's just on this. So you can like do this. Just on there. And it's about there. As of this joint, I don't know what it's called. They don't really have this, they don't really use this piece as much. I don't know how many are in this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are in this. About play features as go, you can see that rope in there. Got some Baraka eyes, I think. And it's just this jaw on there. And see his teeth. No. And guy's nose there. And about play features is going, as I said, you want, for the reason for this rope is that no matter what, when you open this jaw and you turn his head, it will affect the feature of that jaw as it's just a string that's keeping it up. But if you push this even more, you can hear that clip attached in there. See in there? It's like a clip in there. And that attaches to something back there, and that rope just comes out of there. Like that. And now it's permanently up. But that does like affect that, so if you do that, you have to turn his head like that to be able, so you want it up like that. But like that. They should have got like one of those little birds that get out the crocodile's teeth. And for like the reason why they have this jaw permanently up. Yeah, and got some cheese slopes for eyebrows of some sort. Kind of looks like ears. But isn't that scary? Kind of looks like Demon Dog from Ghostbusters. A lot of dark green and green colors there. But yeah, that's Ferocious Creatures. Set, I don't remember, by, let's see what you ate.